how to set up a PIN password type and have it entered without the need of tapping OK every time you are about to unlock your phone. And this is for Samsung phones with Android 16 One UI 8.0. When you're ready to do this, go ahead and use the quick access and look for the settings toggle found at the top right. As you select this here, you are now going to go down the list and look for the lock screen set of options. So you're looking for the lock screen, this here. And now, if it's your first time setting up a password for your Samsung phone, go to Screen Lock Biometrics right here. And of course, this option will be available for the PIN method here. So once you go into it here now, it will say they recommend 6 digits. Once upon a time, it used to be 4 to get to the enter without OK. So now you must have 6. So for demonstration purposes, I'll show you now. If you say 1, 2, 3, 4 as a password, you can actually proceed with that, just 4 numbers. But the thing is, you'll have to press OK every time you enter that password. But if you don't want to press OK after inserting your password, you'll need to have at least 6 numbers. So I'll add 5 and 6 or some more numbers to my password. To get this option here, you'll see confirm PIN without tapping OK. And once I do this here and I press continue now, I'll be able to re-enter that same password. And then from now on, when you do this, so I'll continue here. And of course, it's going to tell you that if it's basic, whatever, you can choose to use it anyway or create something more effective or secure. I'll just go with use anyway here. And of course, they'll ask you to reconfirm that one more time. And then I'll press OK here, and now it's gonna be showing me this here. But just for demonstration purposes, I'll show you quickly here now. When you swipe up to unlock here, I will go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'll put in my password, and I don't need to press OK to get in there and have the password entered. So once you have 6 numbers, you're good to go. And if this guide helped you out in any way, like and sub.